Welcome back to the continuing banjo saga. Now, if you have seen all my other videos and I'll leave a card in one of these two corners where you can go back and view from the beginning. I got a banjo given to me a couple months ago, and I've been trying to learn how to play it. And I play the guitar poorly, but I play the guitar. I think it's a relatively easy instrument to play. Banjo, I've been told, is an easy instrument to play as well. As you can see from my past performances, not so easy, but I'm struggling through, and I'm going to definitely give this at least 6 more months to try to learn and see if I can play this instrument. What I'm using to learn the instrument is Jeff Howald's Banjo Primer. Now, the book is laid out in easy steps as you progress in the banjo process. I am still on the first few steps, and that is Boil Them Cabbage Down, learning the roll that he teaches there, and then also learning the slide, which he later introduces in the tutorial that he gives there. So without any further ado, I'll show you my progress so far to date. Now, I'm going to start out slow, and we'll see how fast I can get going. The issue I'm having is these little digits doing what the brain tells them to do when the brain tells them to do it. So, and it might be a coordination issue on my part, or it might just be lack of motor memory that I have to build up over time. But I'll let you guys be the judge. So I'm going to start with a quick little warm-up. And this is going to be using the roll, the forward-reverse roll that he has for this song. Now, I think I might be warmed up. We'll give it a shot. I'm going to play the Boil Them Cabbage Down without the slide. I'm going to play it slowly. So that's slow. Let me see if I can't speed up a bit. And I may have mentioned in a previous video, something that I haven't quite figured out how to do yet. I'm trying to keep my arm from sliding this way, which then my pinky hits the this string right here. I call it the bottom string. Some people call it the top string. I don't know exactly what the term is, but it hits this string right here and deadens it. So if anyone has any advice as to how to keep this from happening, let me know. I'm trying to use the muscles to, instead of having it pressed down like on the guitar, or I just would rest it on the guitar, and the guitar is so big it doesn't move. I try that, and of course it wants to just slide right off. So I'm trying to consciously keep my arm up so that I don't have to deal with that sliding back. So anyway, let's try it a little faster. See, it's getting at his fingers to do what I want him to do. Okay, so let's try the slide. Now that's about as fast as I can get these little fingers to move right now, without hitting the incorrect string or hitting the string twice. So let's try the slide. Okay, let me try this again. So see, that's what happens. I start going too fast. You can hear me hitting all the incorrect strings. And then, of course, a couple times I forget the slide on the first C. Sometimes it happens when I'm going slow, too. So I'm going to continue practicing that. My wife, God bless her soul for listening to this, says, when are you going to play a different song? And I said, when I feel comfortable and can play this song. So that's where it stands right now. Remember, if you've liked this video and you want to see more of it, hit the subscribe button down below and hit the little bell icon next to it to be notified the next time we put out a video. And additionally to that, if you want to leave some helpful words of advice or some encouragement, go ahead and do that in the comments down below as well. And until next time, thanks for watching.